Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 2202 North 60th, Seattle, Washington. The date is Tuesday, February 5th, 2019. This is a video I'm making right before working a cable. So there's one problem spot in the line that I've found, which is right near the, that's pretty, right near the start of the line, so right outside of the house. What we're looking at here is the main sewer. Looks like the neighbor just had their morning coffee and is done with that. So we're going to pull back from the main line, which is about 85 feet out. So there's the clay city line transitioning into the concrete line that is 2202 North 60th. So a bit of a lip down there right before the line. I wouldn't worry too much about that currently. So this old concrete line was installed when they built the house, or shortly before, which I'm guessing is, what, 60, 70, 80 years ago?
22.
So almost 100 years now. Concrete was rated for 50 years. You've gotten twice that lifetime out of it. It doesn't look all that bad. It's rough on the bottom. You see how it's smooth there on the top? So water's been running on the bottom of the sewer for 100 years. That's why the concrete's rougher on the bottom. Again, far enough out at this point, I wouldn't worry too much about it being rough. And I think we're coming back into 4-inch, yeah, right there. So 6-inch sewer, come back, you watch the camera raise up, we are now in 4-inch sewer. So I'm guessing that's somewhere near the sidewalk. Okay. Generally is where they do the 4x6 transition. Yeah. We're now back in 4-inch. 4-inch obviously is going to clog a little bit easier, smaller diameter pipe. So root issues are a bigger deal in 4-inch.
What's that we just passed?
What's that?
Nothing. That's okay.
That's nothing. There's a seam every 3 feet.
Yeah.
So I'll pull back. We'll see the next one right there.
Okay, got
every
it.
3 feet there's a seam. That's where the roots come in.
Yeah.
So when they built these pipes, it's like a male end, female end. They just pushed them inside each other. It wasn't really like gaskets or anything to keep them sealed together. On the left there, that's something tying in. Maybe one of your gutter downspouts outside. It's a small, tiny root hanging at about 30 feet. Doesn't concern me too much. We'll be getting close in here to the one that does. Okay, so right here, 13 feet out, this is right at the transition from the cast iron leaving the house into the concrete that runs all the way out to the main sewer. There's a 90-degree turn right there. You can see, boom, that's turned into the hard left turn there. So it's a 90-degree turn. Right before that 90-degree turn is a large root ball at the top of the pipe there. So we're going to cut that guy, or try to cut some of that guy out with the camera, or with the cable, I should say. That's right at the transition. And then we'll locate that and get an estimate to fix it. Alright, that's going to be the end of the video here. I'll pull all the way out so you know where I'm at, and then I'm going to go locate the... Oops. So, there's the insulation, there's the clean out. Cast iron's in good shape. We just need to focus on that spot. And that's the end of the recording.